Chetna Gurkar.
And I, Professor Divya Dagate,
Are glad to invite you all for the unprecedented and first ever Guru Gobind Singh Polytechnic e-Sayonara.
We are organizing this event for our third year students. Due to COVID pandemic situation, we are organizing and celebrating this event via online media. And I'm sure you will be enjoying every moment of this function ahead.
But before starting the function of e-Sayonara, let us pay homage to our beloved chairman and founder member of Guru Gobind Singh Foundation, Sardar Gurudev Singh Ji Birdi sir, with the poem written and sung by Professor Snehal Rahane ma'am.
Late yes Gurudev Singh Ji Birdi. Sir, you will always remain the profound source of love, affection and guidance for us and an integral part of our life forever. The poem written by me is dedicated to late yes Gurudev Singh Ji Birdi sir, a visionary leader, philanthropist who will be affectionately remembered for his exceptional commitment towards society in the field of education. His attributes of honesty, sincerity, dedication will be recalled by generations to come. Let me have the privilege to read the poem, Philanthropist. You met every challenge with care. Your courage knew no end, and so did you dare. With eyes of foresight, you created better youth and better future. While doing this, you also upgraded the humanity culture. You made sure that the evil must be sealed and the ultimate truth may be revealed. You taught us that life is full of twists and turns. Struggles are the lessons which everyone learns. You are the architect, builder, molder of youth's vision. May every dream of you be a life's mission. You made us believe good things take time, and we are the only master of our fate and delirium. Your happiness isn't buried in treasure, as it lies in the hearts filled with pleasure. Your face is enlightened with peace and grace. Your honesty is engulfing through your life's race. It's your experience, talent, skill, teaching, preaching, and generosity which aptly makes you our leader, and hence we are blessed and proud to be your follower. Thank you, sir. Thank you for everything, whatever you have done for the institute. Thank you very, very much.
Thank you, Professor Snehal Rahane ma'am.
Now, I would like to introduce our dynamic leader with a huge industrial and educational experience, our Honorable CEO, Dr. Parminder Singh sir.
There are many praiseworthy things about him, but I can't possibly suffice them in all mere words. Throughout his years, he has been honored with various highly esteemed awards.
And I would be greatly pleasure to share praiseworthy achievements of sir. A Best Educational Awards presented to him by ICSE-CD at Regents International College, Bangkok, Thailand in 2017.
Jewels of Nashik by Gokhale Education Society in June 2019 for his outstanding work in educational sectors in the last 5 years.
An Innovative Leadership Award by World Education Congress in August 2019.
Academia Leadership Award by IORDO Rising Star Awards in 2019.
And recently, on 20th October 2020, Excellence and Leadership in Education CEO with Education Orientation Award by Golden AIM Awards.
Now I would like to request Honorable CEO Sir to motivate us with his words of wisdom.
Before we start with the function, I would like to pay homage to the departed soul of our Honorable President, Chairman, respected Shri Gurudev Singh Ji Birdi. Our President was a founder member of our Guru Gobind Singh Foundation. He was a visionary leader, philanthropist, educationist, industrialist, and he was instrumental in starting Guru Gobind Singh Foundation in Nasik with support of Sikh and Punjabi community of Nasik way back in 1978. He was also the chairman of Singh Engineering, which is a multinational company producing jaw crushers and supplying to various countries like UK, Africa and USA. Today, Singh Engineering is a multi-locational company with its units at Satpur, Ambad, Gonde and Nasik. They have been exporting machinery right from 1980s. He was passionate for education and he always believed if one has to bring change in the society, one needs to educate the youth. This dream he saw way back in 1978 and he dreamed to establish this education hub, that is KG to PG in Nasik. Today, Guru Gobind Singh Foundation is one of the most renowned education hub in Nasik, and the students are doing their schoolings, they are doing their diploma and degree in this campus, 12-acre campus, which has been donated by the 6 citizens of Nasik. Under his presidency, GJSF has ensured quality education at an affordable price. He assured all support to economically challenged students by providing them free education. He was instrumental in having Siemens, Bosch, Fanuc, Cisco, networking, AWS Academy, microchip, mechatronics, robotic labs in Nasik. Under his leadership, Guru Gobind Singh Foundation has grown from merely 9 students to almost 7,000 students today studying in the campus. A pioneer, an industrialist, educationalist, visionary leader and philanthropist who will be affectionately remembered for his exceptional commitment towards society in the field of education. His attributes of honesty, sincerity, dedication will be recalled by generations together. A great loss to Birdi family, Guru Gobind Singh Foundation and Sikh and Punjabi community of Nasik. We pay a very sincere homage to the departed soul. Today, learning has totally changed because of this COVID in last 1 year. This has led to a technological change in teaching and learning itself. We have gone beyond the bookish knowledge and both the students and staff members are facing challenges in teaching and learning in this online process. This requires a technical expertise, increased digital communication skills, time management, increased teamwork, creativity, presence of mind and keen attention to details, also problem solving. Today, the suspense of exam, which was a handwritten, has gone to an online mode of exam, which is again a challenge to most of the students because the questions which are asked are very tricky questions. Anyway, after hard work of our staff members and students, we have got 100% result in last year. This changing pattern of education will have the impact on the learning in coming years and whole system will change very fast. The future will be edu-tech and digital learning and online education. The skills that are needed by the industry like decision making, multitasking, creative problem solving, collaboration, communication, professionalism, integrity, management, initiative, empathy, leadership and teamwork are the need of the hour. These are very well taught in our Guru Gobind Singh Polytechnic after having established new industry academia partnership labs with the help of Siemens and Bosch. We have also started the labs with AWS, Cisco and Amazon where the students can have the hands-on experience of the industry and can practice online. The campus placements also play a very important role in the life of the student. We have many students, many companies coming to our campus like Bajaj, Infosys, Mahindra, Epiroc, TCS, Tata Consultancy, and this has helped in getting good placement to our students. We also have a patent registration system, the IPR cell, which has ensured that the students are registering and getting their patents registered with the IPR. That will not only help them in establishing their own companies as an entrepreneur. I again give best wishes for the next academic year. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Honorable CEO Sir, for your motivational words.
Now proceeding further, I would like to welcome our principal of Guru Gobind Singh Polytechnic, our much respected Professor Shri Hari Upasne sir.
He has been working in the educational field for more than 25 years now, and his efforts and hard work has been acknowledged and highly respected by his peers and subordinates.
He has been university topper as a gold medalist at NMIT Jaipur, that is Malviya Institute of Technology, Jaipur.
He has been honored by various awards throughout his years, and some of the recent ones are as the following: Promising Engineering Award by Institute of Engineering, Nashik;
Appreciation Award by Kekewa Polytechnic, Nasik for consistent and excellent results;
a Session Chair Award by 12th International Conference on 31st March 2018;
Keynote Speaker Award in 14th International Conference on 31st March 2019;
Best HOD Award, and also Best Principal Award by Guru Gobind Singh Foundation, Nasik.
Principal sir is also the first approved principal of Guru Gobind Singh Polytechnic.
And last but not the least, Sir has presented so many papers in the National International Conference.
Concluding my all points here, I would like to request our principal sir for motivate us with wisdom for upcoming events.
Hello, good morning dear students. I first of all welcome all the final year students of Guru Gobind Singh Polytechnic. Dear students, today is 19th of June, and as per MSBT norms, today you have completed successfully your 3 years diploma, and now your exams are commencing from 22nd of June. This is a transformation process, and from today you will be called as a alumni or alumni students of Guru Gobind Singh Polytechnic. My dear students, I am recalling the memories when you have been admitted to first year diploma at your 5 various branches as per your choice. You were with your parents in the college, you started your education. Day by day, the days have been converted into months, months into years, and now this day to which we were dreaming, the day has come. You are supposed to complete your diploma education. Although since last 1.5 years we could not meet physically, and all our activities have been conducted through digital platform, e-teaching learning process, e-parent teacher meeting, e-interviews, campus interviews, and on the same platform today this is a e-send-off, e-farewell. We have called it a sweet name, e-sayonara. My dear students, welcome to this e-sayonara. Just recall the memories of 3 years. We tried to give you a complete transformed engineer, and now our product, that means you yourself, the world-class diploma engineer, we are representing for the world, for the society, for the nation. In these 3 years, apart from your regular curricular activities, we were concentrating on your co-curricular activities. And you must be recalling our Bosch and Siemens and various technological labs which we have set as a co-curricular activities. We tried to provide you various platforms to represent your co-curricular activities. You have shown instrumental results in your MSBT examination. At the same time, during your first year, during your second year, we have conducted gatherings to represent your extracurricular activities, and recently you must be aware we have enjoyed eFest, that means the digital platform gathering. So everything we have enjoyed means your batch will be called a sandwich or a judicial mixture of online and offline activities of academic diploma. So when at this juncture you approach to the farewell, I would like to best wish to all the students. One message I would like to give all of you, my dear students, as you are the world-class product from the Guru Gobind Singh Polytechnic, feel proud that you have been passed with 3 times NBA accredited polytechnic, most probably the only one polytechnic in Maharashtra. So keep that, feel proud. Once you become alumni, Keep in touch with us. Do not forget the Guru Gobind Singh Polytechnic. Do not forget us. Undoubtedly, we will not forget you. We will be always in touch with you, and the same is expected from you. But my dear students, when you will go in the society, try to be original, try to be honest, try to be obsessed. Wherever you go, everyone should come to know that yes, this is the student of Guru Gobind Singh Polytechnic. So I give you best wishes to every one of you. All the best to your oral exams, all the best to your theory exams. Everyone will be successful in the future. All the best for your bright future, successful career. Thank you so much. Have a great time, great years ahead. Thank you.
Thank you so much, respected Principal Sir, for your motivational words.
Now, I would like to introduce our dynamic Head of Electrical Department, Professor Sunil More sir. Sir has started his educational journey from ITI holder and now currently is pursuing PhD in Electrical Power System. Sir is having 12 years of educational experience in teaching field and 3 years of experience in industrial field. Sir has been awarded with awards such as Best HOD Award from Guru Gobind Singh Polytechnic Nasik, as well as Young Scientist Award by IARDO Rising Star Awards in 2019. Sir has also published so many papers in national as well as international conferences. Now, I would like to request our respected HOD sir to motivate and guide our students.
Good morning all students. Today is your last day, or you can say it is the send-off day. I really appreciate all the teachers and students for their efforts in the online teaching learning method. And don't think like that this is your last day of the college, because after this you are going to become an alumni of the institute, and that is very well opportunity for all the students. That because after becoming alumni of the institute, you can do anything for the institute from outside also. So I hope that you all got all knowledge from our side, from the department side, and the most important thing that you will always use your knowledge for enhancement of the need of the society. So enjoy the day and enjoy the e-Sayonara. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, good morning to Honorable CEO Sir, respected Principal Sir, HOD Sir, all teachers and all my dear friends. Welcome you all for the farewell party e-Sayonara, which is specially organized for our seniors. We wish to make this event memorable for all of you. I, Akanksha, I welcome you all with core of hearts in farewell party. दोस्तों, कॉलेज के दिन होते हैं इतने सुहाने, ये तो ऑल टीचर्स एंड स्टूडेंट्स ही जाने। कॉलेज के दोस्त मिले हो जो देखते हैं, दिखाते हैं सपने और देखते ही बन जाते हैं अपने। चलो आओ तो हम सब मिलकर इस पार्टी को शानदार बनाते हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready?
It is our tradition to begin every auspicious event by remembering the Almighty God. So we will now offer our prayers in the form of classical dance performance by Pallavi Saure, our alumni student, pass out batch 2011-12.
अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम् रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम् रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम्
friends, welcome you all back again. I am Devyani Nikam from 3rd year Electrical of Guru Gobind Singh Polytechnic and I hope you all are enjoyed the Bharatanatyam dance. एक लक्ष्य बांध ले, अर्जुन की तरह मछली की आँख साध ले। आपको अगर करना है पूरा तो एक लक्ष्य बांध ले, अड़िग रहकर मंजिल पर डाल दे। एक लक्ष्य बांध ले, रास्तों पर चलने से पहले एक लक्ष्य बांध ले। क्या आपको पता है हमारा गुरु गोविंद सिंह पॉलिटेक्निक कॉलेज एकेडमिक्स के साथ साथ अन्य एक्टिविटीज में भी आगे है। नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू इनवाइट भूषण बाविस्कर फ्रॉम 2nd year इलेक्ट्रिकल ब्रांच to showcase his archery talent.
बघितलं तर आमचं टॅलेंट आमच्याकडे मुलांमध्येच नाही तर मुलींमध्येही खूप सारे टॅलेंट आहे. आपली ॲल्युमी स्टुडंट 2006-7 बॅचची कल्याणी मांडेकर हिलाही मी डान्ससाठी आमंत्रित करते.
Now I would like to invite Jayesh Baviskar, the national level speed skater from 3rd year electrical student, to showcase his talent.
Fly away. It's the first time of today. To dream, believe. You are the strength. You're all I need. Oh, gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero. You're a superhero.
छुपा होता है। सिर्फ उसको तराशने की देर है। यही उम्मीद है कि जयेश इसी तरह गुरु गोविंद सिंह पॉलिटेक्निक का नाम रोशन करता रहे। एक चित्रकार में भी गजब की कला होती है, जो एक कोरे कागज में भी जान डाल देता है। कुछ इसी तरह अपनी कला का प्रदर्शन करने आ रहा है फर्स्ट ईयर इलेक्ट्रिकल का पवन।
The way she came into the place, I knew right then and there was something different about this girl. The way she moved, her hair, her face, her lines, divinity in motion. As she stalked the room, I could feel the aura of her presence. Every hand turned from passion and lust. The girl was persuasive, the girl I could not trust. The girl was bad. The girl was dangerous.
One thing in life you must understand: the truth of lust, woman to man. So open the door and you'll see there are no secrets. Make you move, set me free. Dangerous. The girl is so dangerous. Take away my money, throw away my time. You can call me honey, but you know I'm me. Just open the door and you'll see this passion burns inside of me. Don't say to me you'll never tell. Touch me there, make the move, cast the spell.
मित्रांनो, एन्जॉय करताय ना आजचा इव्हेंट? एका धमाकेदार परफॉर्मन्स घेऊन येत आहे थर्ड इयर इलेक्ट्रिकलचा लोकेश चौधरी. तर चला बघूया त्याचा डान्स.
गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी, शराबी ये दिल हो गया. संभालो मेरे यारों, संभलना मुश्किल हो गया. गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी, शराबी ये दिल हो गया। दिल में मेरे ख्वाब तेरे, तस्वीर जैसे हो दीवार पे, तुझ पे फिदा मैं क्यों हुआ, आता है गुस्सा मुझे प्यार पे। मैं लुट गया मान के दिल का कहा, मैं कहीं का ना रहा, क्या कहूँ मैं दिल हुआ। बुरा ये जादू तेरी आंखों का, ये मेरा कातिल हो गया। गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी, शराबी ये दिल हो गया। मैंने सदा चाहा यही, दामन बचा लूं हसीनों से मैं, तेरी कसम ख्वाबों में भी बचता फिरा नाज़नीनों से मैं। तौबा मगर मिल गई तुझसे नजर, मिल गया दर्दे जिगर, सुन जरा ओ बेखबर। जरा सा हंस के जो देखा तूने, मैं तेरा बिस्मिल हो गया। गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी, शराबी ये दिल हो गया। संभालो मुझको ओ मेरे यारो, संभलना मुश्किल हो गया।
Thank you, Lokesh, for your energetic dance performance. So let me ask one question now. Anyone interested in drawing here? So let's invite Shruti Gangurde from second year electrical to showcase her drawing talent.
For such a beautiful drawing. Now we are going to see or enjoy a dynamic dance presented by our alumni student Chaitali Bhairad, pass out batch 2019-20.
सलोनी अदाएं मनमोनी, तेरी जैसी ब्यूटी किसी की भी नहीं होनी। ठंडे की बोतल मुझको हुई न खबर चोरी चोरी छुप छुप कर मुझको हुई न खबर चोरी चोरी छुप छुप कर कब प्यार की पहली नजर है ले गई दिल ले गई ले गई दिल ले गई मुझको हुई न खबर चोरी चोरी छुप छुप कर तब प्यार की पहली नजर है ले गई दिल ले गई ले गई दिल ले गई ले गई
Everybody say
काली गड्डी काले शीशे काला ऐनक पाया काला चंडीगढ़ तेरे करके आया नहीं ते रहंदा सी अंबाला मुंडा में पंजाबी कुड़ियां कहंदी ला 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 कुर्ता पजामा काला 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 कुर्ता पजामा काला 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 कुर्ता पजामा काला 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 कुर्ता पजामा काला 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 काला
अशा प्रकारे अनेक आठवणींना सोबत घेऊन पुढच्या प्रवासासाठी मी सर्व सिनियर्सला शुभेच्छा देते. आम्ही खूप लकी आहोत की आम्हाला तुमच्यासारखे सिनियर्स मिळाले. आपले टीचर्स मोटिवेटर्स नेहमीच आपल्याला मार्गदर्शक ठरतात. त्यांचेही मत आपण जाणून घेऊया.
Happy farewell, dear students. Wishing you all the very best for your future. At last, I would share one advice with you that life is so beautiful. In life, if you face so many challenges or you stuck in any situation, so never say no. That do be ready with encourage and your dedication to face that situation. So good luck, my dear students.
My dear student, it is a very special day in your life. Go ahead in the light and make future bright. Never say to no any challenge. Face it with your dedication and courage. Knowledge is open, so welcome it every means and let the success follow you. Good luck.
It will not come to you. You have to work hard to achieve it. Make sure to use your time wisely and make up with the goal in your mind and work for it. All the best for your bright future.
Hello students, happiness is enjoying a little things in your life. So please try to enjoy your life with your studies. Try to relate your theory part, your studies with your day-to-day life. So it will be very helpful for your future career. I'm wishing you all the best for your future studies as well as career.
If you want to achieve heights and soar high, you need to have the courage and willpower to leave the ground below. Dear students, you all are the brightest faces of this institute. I am sure you are all going to make us all proud someday. We believe in you and your potential. All the best for your bright future.
Good evening, my dear students. We wish you all a happy farewell day today. So, we hope that the education which is you can gain here is always helpful for your future. And good luck to your higher studies and achieve more excellence in your life. Thank you so much, and my best wish always with you.
Good evening, my dear student. Today I wish you happy farewell day. So best wishes and blessing for the bright future to all my dear student. Thank you.
मग मित्रांनो, आवडला ना आजचा इव्हेंट? नाउ आय वुड लाईक टू थँक्स अवर ऑनरेबल सीओ सर, रिस्पेक्टेड प्रिन्सिपल सर, रिस्पेक्टेड HOD सर, and respected all dear teachers and event coordinator Professor Divya Dagate ma'am, Professor Ashita Shandilya ma'am, and all my dear seniors for giving your valuable time for this event and making this event grand. I would like also thanks to Charudatta Borse for editing, who have editing for this such a beautiful video. And now we are concluding our program. And again, I wish you all the seniors for the best future. Thank you so much, all of you. Have a nice day.